proposals are another clever little feature we've put into the Business Builder and Turbocharged editions to get booked up. What is a proposal really? A proposal is an intermediate step between the quote and the job. So if we take a quick look at the quotations, the quotation is for a line item, so it's for instance a bedroom carpet. And for that you provide several quotes. You provide one for the clean only, one for the clean and protect, one for the healthy home option, for example. So we've got multiple items with multiple prices. So if the client says to you, how much is it if I have the bedroom done on the clean only, the dining room done on clean and protect, the leather suite done on the healthy home, how can you total all those up on this quotation? You can't, it's a little bit difficult. So that's why we introduced the proposals. So if we look at the proposals tab and we click add new proposal, that adds a new proposal onto the top here. We can give it a description, so if this is just a price for all the carpets, you could call this all carpets. So you can be a bit inventive with the name for the proposal here, because remember you can prepare several of these. You can prepare one for just the carpets at various different levels, and a separate one for just the upholstery items on various different levels, or one including them all. And each one can be stored as a separate proposal that you can print out for the client. So let's just call this proposal name. The current status is, the proposal status is current. It's got today's date. I just need to tell the system that it's me that's doing this proposal. And as soon as I verify that, you see it adds the proposal details at the bottom and space to start adding them. If I come back up to this top line for the moment though, it also puts in the contact source and telephone number source for this proposal for your reporting and analysis. And then it's got the net and gross amounts of this proposal, and you'll see how these increase as we start to add items. And then you can put job notes in as well, so if you're going to convert one of these proposals straight to a job, which is another feature that you can do, you can put job notes in here that will go straight through onto the job sheet and the job record. And then it displays the VAT percentage rate and the VAT amount on the end there as well. So we've got a new proposal ready to start adding items to it. All we need to do now is choose the items. So in the middle section of the screen here, we've got the quote history that of every price that we've ever quoted for anything. And we've got the dining room carpet as one of the carpets there. And let's say we want to go for that on the clean and protect service as we suggested. We just click the price under the clean and protect on the dining room and then double click, and you'll see that adds that onto the proposal details at the bottom here. Let's add the bedroom on at clean only, so we click the price of clean only on the bedroom, double click, and that adds that onto the item here as well. Let's say that they want the upholstery on the healthy home option. We just click the healthy home price, double click, and that adds that onto the proposal here. And you can see that each of these items has been added on at the service level and price that you've selected. So that's displayed there for you. Now if we look back up at the top line here, we can see that that's increased and automatically calculated and entered in there the net and the gross amounts of the job for you. Now the other great thing that you can do is you can click print proposal, and you can either display that on the screen or print that out if you're in the client's home and give that to the client. So you can give them a price, not only a quote, but you can give them the proposal that if they go ahead with the clean only on the bedroom, clean and protect on the dining room, and health home on the suite, the total is going to be £415 including VAT. So you can see how that's much better than just giving the client the copy of the quotation and letting them have to add up the individual items. This actually prepares a proposal that the client can then say, yes, go ahead, I want to do that. So we can click this button here that says new job from proposal. That'll take you straight into the jobs diary. It will copy all the details into the job, and you'll be ready to book job onto the diary system. Now let's say the client says it's a little too expensive, they don't want to pay £415. You can just click add new proposal, and that'll add a new proposal onto the system at the top here. You can give that a different name, so that could be name 2 for instance, and again you just tell the system who's actually preparing this proposal. And then you just start adding details on for that. So let's say they want to just go for the clean only service on everything. So we can just double click all the prices for the clean only, and you can see here now that the total price for that is now £290. So if the client decides that they want to go for one of these proposals at the top here, we can just click into here. It'll display what the details are for each individual proposal, and if they want to go ahead, let's say they want to go ahead with that second proposal instead, you can just click new job from proposal 2, and that'll book that straight into the diary and transfer all the details onto a job. So that's it. You can see that that's a very easy way to prepare multiple options and print those out for the client so they can see exactly what it's going to cost for each of those options. That's proposals in the Business Builder and Turbocharged editions.